Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. Once again, we're in the great outdoors, or at least the great outside my door. Today I need to fix this pipe here. We were cutting down some weeds with the machete last week, and we cut some decent slices into this sprinkler hose. And today I gotta fix that. So, I tried to use the sprinklers yesterday, and there was like no pressure at all getting to them. So I got these, but first I'm going to show you what this. I'm going to show you the disaster we got going on here. I'm going to go and turn the sprinklers on so you can see what's going on. What are you doing, Anton? Hey, Ben. Yeah, with that, my lawn's never going to stay this beautiful yellow-green color we got going on right now. Alright, time to get to work.
Okay,
Trusty rusty knife, just cut that more or less flush.
Oh, that's
and you take this and you just compression coupling and just squeeze that, twist it till it goes in, about halfway in. You can't see that from there, but yeah, that's what you're trying to do. And you're going to cut off more or less flush on the other end of the, on the other broken part here. Actually, it'll probably just be better if I cut it off here. This way it'd be a lot easier to work with. Yeah, look at that, huh? My lawn was never going to get watered like that. There we go. Just jam that in it. Oh, probably just cut off the other end ahead of time, so I'm not trying to work with it like that. That's close enough.
I
Yeah.
can see you.
Yeah. All right. Now I just stuff that into one end.
Wait, where's the knife?
Squeeze it together. And you take that part that's sticking out of the ground. Squeeze that together. And one more. Squeeze that together. Okay. And now all that's done. Now we're gonna try this sprayer again. Get out the way. Voy a prenderla.
Pa,
Ajá.
¿estos son nuevos?
Ajá.
Oh.
Vete por allá, okay? Porque
Okay.
voy a prender en caso que algo fue malo.
Sí.
Oh, hey, don't hit that skip button. Yeah, just want to take this moment to show you my first ever Android video game. It's called Shopping Cart Madness. I don't know if you can see it that well from there. Oh man, I'm still getting some glare from over there. So, yeah, basically you're sitting in a shopping cart, a gas-powered shopping cart, riding up a beach, collecting beer bottles and trying to avoid big tires, mailboxes, fire hydrants, parking meters, and other various objects that, yeah, if you were hit with a shopping cart, you'd have a really bad day. Let's see if we can play it. Different speed levels. Yeah, because I'm kind of doing this backwards, I'll do it on 2. Yeah, just tap the screen to go to make a move from one side to the other. Oh, I already hit something. Yeah, the guy face plants in the windshield of a bus. Kind of a violent game over screen. I also got to give a shout out to my guys at GameProfits.co, because without them, I probably would have tossed my computer against the wall. So if you got a video game that you want to put out, be sure to get a hold of them guys if you're an amateur like me. If you guys could get me to 100,000 downloads, that would really be appreciated. I'll build one of these gas-powered shopping carts on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to give it away. And to one of my subscribers. So yeah, definitely check out my YouTube channel too. It's right about here. And don't forget GameProfits.co. Here it is. Yeah, now back to the show. Already in progress. Alright, that coupling's dripping a little bit. Not too bad though. But look at that. I got some pressure going to my sprinklers now. Hopefully it waters the yard more than the road this time. Still working on adjustments on that. But yeah, at least I got this. At least I got the sprinklers working right now. Yeah, I got them working. Hey, I did something right today. Alright, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Well, there's that smiley face with some broken teeth down over here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, click on that, you're subscribed to my channel. Like the video, mash that thumbs up for me. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit that share button. Where is that? Oh, there. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Go ahead and click on that. I appreciate it when you guys do that for me. You got any suggestions, anything you want to see us in future videos, you go ahead and leave that in the comments. I do read them. You'll know that because most of the time I'll hit that little heart button next to it. This way you know for sure that I read it. Till next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.